Hi, I'm Jim. Nice to meet you. Hello, I'm Joshua. My friends call me Josh. Nice to meet you too. I work here as a waiter. And you? What do you do? I work as a programmer in that building. I always have so much work to do. I'm very busy. And you? I am usually busy in the afternoon and evening hours. I don't like my job much, to be honest. And you? I like my job. This is not only a job for me. This is my work. What do you want to do? I want to be a teacher and work in Taiwan. I want to live near the sea and enjoy my life. Here at work, I walk a lot and I don't have much time to relax. I understand you. I have many friends, but I too don't have much time. Tomorrow is the 4th of July, the Independence Day. It is a national holiday. We can go to the beach and have fun. I do it every year. That's a great idea. Let's do it. How much time do we need to get to the beach from here? 30 minutes. And how much money do I need? $30 is enough. We can ride bikes. I don't have a bike. How much does it cost? A bike? You don't need to buy a new bike. I have many bikes. How many bikes do you have? I have 5 bikes. I can give you one. Awesome! Thank you! This is my LinkedIn profile. Find me there and let's be friends. Cool! See you soon! See you soon! This video lesson is part of a course for learning English for beginners. You will find special exercises for this lesson on the website. The course starts with the English alphabet. You can learn 780 words and 109 grammar topics with this course. There are many interactive exercises in the lessons for reading, listening, writing, and even speaking. You can play with flashcards, solve crosswords, play memory games, drag and drop words, and so on. Contact me if you want to buy the course or learn English with me through private or group lessons.